Welcome! In this video, we'll show you how to quickly fix internet issues with your Rogers Xfinity Gateway. Let's get started. First, check if other websites or devices in your home are working. If they are, the interruption might be with a specific site or device you're using. Still offline? Restart the device you're using. That often clears up connection issues. Next, look at the light on top of your gateway. Solid red or solid yellow means it's lost connection. Flashing yellow? It's trying to receive the signal. Flashing green? It's trying to send the signal. If the light is still red or yellow, unplug the gateway, wait 10 seconds, then plug it back in. Wait 5 minutes for it to reconnect, or you can reboot the gateway from the Rogers Xfinity app. That should clear things up. For more helpful tips, visit rogers.com. Now you know how to fix most internet issues with your Rogers Xfinity Gateway.